Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and welcome. Coming to the topic, interesting, debatable, and has some contradictions. Interesting is that is it possible to get your dream job? Now, the people will say there are no jobs. What are you talking about dream job? Remember, keep looking up and high. Keep your mission intact and strive for the best. And remember, wherever you are getting a job or you are going, these things will help you. That is, landing into your dream job. Now what it is to be done? First of all, let me clarify two things quickly. Hiring has got two parts. One is recruitment, the other is selection, right? Recruitment is that you have got applications filled or online or whatsoever the procedure are, and these days there are excellent machines available. They scan it and segregate that these are the individual who fit your criteria which you have given as job description and in your advertisement. So this is called pool of eligible candidates. And this here the recruitment ends, the selection starts. Selection is then initial interview, written test, technical, final test. So this is the difference. Now coming on, how is that possible? I will just tell you 3-4 things. Number one, you have to be head and shoulder above the people, right? We have assumed that you have come into that pool. That is recruitment process you have completed. Now in your pool, you should be head and shoulder above. How? Number one, you should have some extra qualification. What is the extra qualification? You should have some diploma in leadership or in management. If you are technical hand, you should have the management degree or some diploma. Number two, you must learn at least one more language, foreign language other than English. That could be French, that could be German, that could be Italian. Perhaps French and German are at the top. You see, gone the days when the hirer or the future employer used to only focus on your studies. No. If you have written in your CV that you can speak, read and write French language, you will be surely asked a question, and that may make the difference. Third, you must have a hobby, and few hobbies I can tell. Pet animals is a hobby, but it is sort of passive. The good hobby, I will say, it is reading books and traveling. You see, these things will not take ages. These are the jobs of few months. And Google and Lingo, you can say the YouTube tutors are full of all these things. How to learn, what to do, what all not to do. If you master these qualities, these 3 aspects which I have told you, you will be asked question about them. Remember, not to tell a right wrong thing. You should have mastery on these things. And I will tell you the icing on the cake, that is artificial intelligence. There are small courses and there are so many tools of AI. So you get hold of 2 or 3 tools. You should know how to use the basic artificial intelligence and then how to get your different results out of that. So far so good. See you next time. Take care. Thank you. If you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel and give liking and thumb up. Thank you. See you.